Number of female teachers. This is with reference to the Pakistani context, but this context may apply to some other countries as well. Looking at the Pakistani context, girls are less likely to enroll in school and in many countries may drop out sooner. So that means that the number of girls who get into the school is also lesser than that of the boy students. And the dropout percentage amongst the girls is more. That is, after some time after attending the school, the girls may drop out from the school due to different reasons. Maybe the parents would not be able to afford, or the school is too far that the girl students cannot walk or reach the school without getting help from some transport services, which could be very expensive for the girls. At the same time, the women are often trained in different institutions than men and may have a different curriculum. So when we are talking about training, the training facilities for women are not enough. In many cases, the men teachers would be trained with a different curriculum, a different methodology, and different learning styles and strategies. The policies differ sometimes greatly from the training that is taking place for the women. So in that case, all the training that takes place in the female educational institutions and male educational institutions, they differ from one another, and therefore the outcome or the achievements made by the female teachers who have got the training would be different from the male teachers who are receiving training. However, this does not mean that there would be a lack of professionalism amongst the females than the men, or the men would be having more professional experience than the female. Basically, it is just providing the facilities and the methodology in a different manner to the female training sessions than to the male training sessions. What are the outcomes of these will be discussed later regarding what happens in the schools because of the male teachers being trained and qualified for the job and the female teachers being trained and qualified for the profession of teaching. However, whatever the number is, the basic understanding is that wherever the qualifications and training is provided, the outcome and the achievement of the student is different. And also the fact that altogether, if we look at the country situation altogether, in total, we find that there are less girl students in the schools and there are less female teachers available to teach in the schools in order to provide all the training that is required for the female teachers. There is a lack in the facilities, and also there is a different methodology and curriculum being introduced for the female teachers than what is being used in the training colleges and academic institutions for men. This is because of the difference of treatment altogether in the society for male and females. This is not only in the teaching profession, this prevails in many other professions also. This does not apply to capital cities or big cities, because in big cities the situation is different. Women have more rights and they have more understanding and awareness in big towns and cities, especially the capital cities, where there is an influx of people and organization coming internationally and training the females and the males at the same level. So this situation which is being discussed here is with reference to the whole country and especially to the rural areas and small towns and villages where the discrimination in gender is very prominent.